How to download Chrome Video Downloader extension. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can download Chrome Video Downloader extension. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you will need to do is open up your web browser. So open up your Google Chrome, and after you've done that, you'll need to head over to your Chrome Web Store. So to head over there, you can see the extension section right here. Tap on that. And you can tap on the Manage Extension section. After you do that, you can discover more from right here. You will need to head over to Chrome Web Store, tap on that, and head over there. So after you're here, what you'll need to do is search for Video Downloader. So some of the popular ones are Video Downloader Plus. So let's head over and download this extension. So all you now have to do is tap on Add to Chrome. After you tap on it, it should start adding. Tap on Add Extension. And the extension should start downloading. You can check the download out from here. And after it's been downloaded, it will simply open this up. All you have to now do is log in and set it up. So if you tap on the extension option right here, you can tap on this download Video Downloader Plus. You can pin it as well if you want to. So that's how you download Video Downloader extension in your Google Chrome. You can also explore more of those extensions from right here. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.